Matric bathi bajabule kodwa futhi banexhala sekuzobonakala ke manje ukuthi bebesebenza kanzima unyaka wonke.
From the start of January, since our Matric year started, they gave their all and they're still very much busy doing that.
I'm ready, but I'm a bit anxious because, exam can be overwhelming and stuff.
Matric bazobe bebhala iphepha lokuqala le-Computer Application Technology kusasa. Lapha ke Comtech Combined School eBloemfontein, abafundi bayaqhubeka nokuzilungiselela yize kunezingqinamba zokucisha kogesi.
We studies on the side and we attend camps on the holidays, so I believe we are ready.
Our teachers are taking extra miles. They are working extra food to help us and make sure that we do our best.
They have supported us since January until now.
Banesiqiniseko sokuthi bazothola imiphumela emihle.
But we are not sleeping, so we want to ensure that we keep that position.
Umfundi esifundazweni uthunazo izinhlelo zokubhekana nezinkinga engase zibe khona. Abafundi ke bazibophezela ekutheni bazozama ukugwema izinto ezingalungile uma sekubhalwa. Lesifundazwe sathola amaphesenti angama-85 ngesikhathi sekukhishwa imiphumela nyakenye.
Is really a challenge, but we are trying to say to our learners, don't panic. We will do all our best to engage the powers that be, ESCOM, municipalities, to ensure that during the time when learners are writing, there shouldn't be any disruption.
Bengezeke ngenkulungwane 2 abafundi ababhala izivivinyo zabo kulonyaka uma uqhathanisa nonyaka owedlule.